Hey, hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel that is Life and Literature with Tanushree. And here I am Tanushree to provide you the best and ever best knowledge about English. So today is Friday, and oh yes, happy Eid to all of you, my friends, my well-wishers, my learners and my students. So as today is Friday and we are going to discuss the syllabus of WBSSC, because today in our routine that was West Bengal School Service Commission. Okay, so in West Bengal School Service Commission syllabus you can see that English is there, and I'm dealing with the English session. Okay, so today I'm giving you a very clarified idea about syllabus, because whenever you are going to start any topic, you have to be very clear about it. So students, first of all, the poetry section. In poetry section there is Loving in Truth by Sydney, then One Day I Wrote Her Name by Spenser, Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day by William Shakespeare, The Good Morrow by John Donne, Virtue by George Herbert, The Rape of the Lock, Cantos 1 and 2 only, by Alexander Pope, The Tiger, the Lamb by William Blake, Tinton Abbey by William Wordsworth, Christabel and Kubla Khan by Samuel Taylor Coleridge, Ode to the West Wind and to a Skylark by P.B. Shelley, then Ode to a Nightingale and to Autumn by John Keats, Alfred Tennyson, Ulysses, Robert Browning's My Lost Duchess, The Wild Swans at Cool by W.B. Yeats, Strange Meeting by Wilfred Owen, Hollow Man by T.S. Eliot. So students, you can see here that most of the poets are from Romantic age. So students, I know that in your syllabus there is no history of English literature, but I will suggest you to become clear about history of English literature, so that you can very easily understand which poet belongs to which area, that means which age. Okay, we have ancient age, we have middle English age, then we have romantic age, Victorian age, age of Milton. There are so many age, modern age, postmodern age. Okay, so you have to be very clear, and for that clarification I will again come in Saturday. You know that in every Saturday I will come to clarify your English literature. Okay, there we will cover that portion also. So this was poetries, and now the drama portion. The ever famous play or drama Macbeth by William Shakespeare, then She Stoops to Conquer by Goldsmith, then George Bernard Shaw's Arms and the Men. This is very important in every aspect. Then Riders to the Sea, J.M. Singe. Okay, then novel Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen, David Copperfield by Charles Dickens, and short story and essay The Lagoon by Joseph Conrad, Araby by James Joyce, The Lotus Eater by Somerset Maugham, The Fly by Catherine Mansfield. And again the essay Dream Children, A Reverie, Charles Lamb, The Superannuated Man, it is also by Charles Lamb. Then Freedom by G.B. Shaw, George Bernard Shaw. Then Of Studies by Francis Bacon. Okay, students, I think you are clear about poetry, drama, novel, short story and essay. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 portions we have to covered. And then about grammar, word formation and derivatives, narration, voice change, transformation of sentences, joining of sentences, splitting up of sentences, framing WH questions, paragraphs and this on. Okay, and rhetoric prosody is also there. So don't worry, I'm here to complete all the things. Okay, I will surely cover all the sessions. So this was for today, because today I am just going to clarify you the syllabus. So do one thing, students, please do one thing, write down these all in your copy. Okay, don't forget to use the copy and pen thing. You know what or why I'm telling this, because we know that nowadays there are so many options of PDFs, ebook, there are availability of it. But while you are using pen and copy, then you can remind it. So first of all, this is your homework. You have to write it down. You can also upload the image after writing in comment section if it is possible. Okay, and stay safe, be happy. From next day we will start with loving in truth. Okay students, thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Life and Literature with Tanushree, and don't forget to comment your suggestions.